家族 family 海賊 pirates 家族 kaizoku. And please notice that kaizoku has 4 morals. I think that especially Americans have a tendency to say "I" as one sound. So if you say kaizoku, it is easily to be misunderstood as kazoku because it has 3 morals. Kaizoku has 4 morals. Kazoku has 3 morals. So please be careful to keep morals. One hiragana has 1 length of the time. 1 moral. I mean 1 moral. Kaizoku. Please practice with those videos. Kaizoku. So we can say 海賊の家族。トムってクラシック映画好きなんだってね。はい、私は昨日はThe Pirates を見ました。何？Japanese title は踊る家族です。踊る家族？へえ。なんか楽しそうだね。はい、とても楽しいです。Don't worry about it too much. This is just an example of the Japanese pronunciation. Good luck with your studies. お疲れ様でした。